we'll guide you through how to adjust Blender settings to enhance your workflow and create stunning visuals. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once it's up, look at the top left corner and click on the Edit menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This opens a new window where you can customize various settings. Start with the Interface tab, where you can adjust the language, font size, and theme to suit your preferences. If you're working on a high-resolution screen, consider increasing the DPI to make icons and text easier to read. Next, head over to the Key Map tab if you want to customize shortcuts. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning from another software and prefer certain familiar shortcuts. You can edit these by double-clicking on the action you want to change. The Add-ons tab is where you can enable or disable additional features. You might want to explore some community add-ons that can boost your productivity. Simply check the box next to the add-on you want to activate. Don't forget to check the System tab for performance settings. Here, you can adjust memory limits and enable GPU rendering if your hardware supports it, which can significantly speed up rendering times. Finally, in the Save and Load tab, ensure that Auto-Save Preferences is checked, so your settings are automatically saved and applied every time you open Blender. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, close the Preferences window. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.